So I'm still working on my burgundy color in melt and pour soap. Today we're going to look at this one, Red Wine by Fizz Fairy with a few drops of Flaming Candle Pink. Now the color total is 0.5% of color added. So here's a sample size bar, sample size. Yeah, wine colored soap scented with sangria. This is a color test. See if 5.5% of color is gonna be okay with no stains. Not sure. And I'm doing this for 20 seconds or more because as an EMT, if you want to get rid of germs, you have to wash for 20 seconds. And I'm just talking through that. All right, now white bubbles. Yeah, the bubbles look white, which is a good thing. And I'm going to see if it stains this paper towel with no rinse. Woo. Okay. Great. This is good. And even if we rinse it off, it'll be, which we would normally do. This is the intended use of bar soap. For me, the intended use of my bar soap is for cleansing. Yay, got it. Well, so far Fizz Fairy at 0.5% with a few drops of pink is a-okay and doesn't stain, and it's true soap, so I know that it killed the germs.